I'm back. It's been a minute. Basically I've just been practicing this entire time, and the weather's actually finally nice for once. So I am really close to being able to take my test, probably within this week. So it should start picking up content-wise from here, but little treat for us. We got a new bike to ride. This is 200cc Honda Twinstar. This is my dad's bike, and he's gracious enough to let me use it for my test. So we're going to be riding around this today and practicing a little bit. But without further ado, let's get this thing up and running. So this bike is it's carbureted, so it takes a little bit to warm up, and we got to tune it a little bit more to get it fine-tuned, but for now it's working pretty good. As good as it will be for now. Yeah, this is my dad's Honda Twinstar. Very clean bike for how old it is. It's like been well taken care of, so we're gonna take care of it as well. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be taking my test on, because the 600cc. Well, I was practicing on the R6 quite a lot, and I've gotten pretty good at it where I can probably take the test. I probably can take the test on it. This just gives me a little bit more security when it comes to this. One of the things I like about this bike versus the R6 is this is so easy to ride. Like going from the R6 to this, it's a dream, because this just rides with no problem. I can just dip it down nice and easy. It's super light. So yeah, and it's not like I can go through into third gear just in here going, what, 25 miles an hour? So there's it's fun to ride. For the R6, you need to kind of go a little bit faster in order to ride it. This is just like, look at that, look how smooth that is. I'm not mobbing around in just first gear. I can go through all the gears just fine. Do just a nice easy U-turn. Beautiful. So it is a 200cc, so it won't get up to, it's just back roads riding. 55 mile an hour, cruising at 55. You can probably get up to 65, but it's a pretty nice bike. So I'm gonna be setting up some cones in just a minute. I'm gonna run back, set up some cones. We're gonna do a weave practice and a stop practice, and all the things that we would probably do in the test. So yeah, let's go. Let's run back and do that real quick. we go. We got some practice in. That wasn't too bad. This bike is so easy to get down. It's like second nature. Just to like weave it. Finding neutral in this freaking thing is insane though. A smaller bike is so nice to learn on. Although a lot of people make the argument that you learn more on a smaller bike, but I feel like after jumping on the R6 and learning, practicing over and over on the R6 and learning the R6, this feels really, really easy. So I felt like I learned better on the R6, but that's just me. Obviously it won't apply to everybody, but just take that into consideration. It's not like you're screwed if you buy a big bike. Everybody makes it seem like don't buy a big bike or else you're gonna be a terrible rider. And like, yeah, I'm not that great of a rider yet, but I've only been riding, like I could count the number of times I've taken a ride. Alright, so that's gonna be it for now. I will post the next video that will come out will be me getting my license.